Hello students, now we are going to learn who am I. Let's go. Who am I? I am big and can be white, black, black or brown. I have 4 legs which I keep on the ground. I can pull wagons or be used as a ride. I can run very fast. I can really glide. I like to eat corn, fit and heavy, and when I talk, I say, nah, nah. Now you guess, who am I? I am a horse. I am from Australia. I have a pocket for my baby. I hop and hop. I call my baby Joy. Who am I? You guess, who am I? I am a kangaroo. I am witty. I swim and jump. I live in the sea. My babies drink milk. They call me Flipper. Who am I? I am a dolphin. I like jumping from tree to tree. I munch on nuts using my front teeth. They call me Chip. Who am I? I am a squirrel. See me in the farm. I love grass. I give milk. I say, "Moo, moo," here and there. Who am I? I am a cow. I am fast and small. I am grey and white. I love cheese. They call me Mickey. Who am I? I am a mouse. I am big and grey. I have a lot of friends in Africa, Thailand and India. I have big ears and long nose. Who am I? I am an elephant. You can see underwater. I can swim well. I can play in big waves. Some call me Nemo. Who am I? I am a fish.
बरं का बालमित्रांनो, आली ना तुम्हाला मजा? तर असेच नवनवीन शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी माझे हे YouTube चॅनल आता सबस्क्राइब करायला विसरू नका. भेटूया पुढील